Torsión, así que sí, llevar el todo. Y asegúrate de tener las caderas suaves, asegúrate de que el pie de al frente está a distancia, a la misma distancia que tus palmas, que tu rodilla no está sobrepasando tu pie de al frente, no nos queremos lastimar.
Hey, good morning. I am in my backyard here for a minute. That tree has plantains on it. That tree has some on it. I'm very excited. I've got squash coming in. I got another one. I found another one over there. But I also published this. It's here. The instructions. Anybody can have the life they imagine. Live your dream life. I'm doing it. See the similarity here? I got it coming in Spanish. This is one of the English one, and the Spanish one's on its way. Mejora tu vida club. All right, here I am at the mall, believe it or not, checking on the book, and it is live. Here it is on Amazon print. You can get them delivered to your house or school. It says here 12 to 18. It's really 12 and anybody, any age. There's no 18-year max, so I gotta figure out how to fix that. Very excited about it. Go check it out. The Best Life. And now the REMIX kit of how to do it quickly and easily. Sharpen up those thinking skills. It's pretty simple. Good fun. REMIX. REMIX. Yay. This tree. Love them. Coming in. Best Life REMIX. Here it is. My dream. My best life. Here's the instructions. Alright, guess who did it again? Another Starbucks. Another book. Spanish version. Yay, yippee, best life. I love it. I'm not going to clean off that branch. We'll let it help protect it, I think. Way down to the pod down here.